Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to cut out a circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. I create a new layer, then select any shapes. Hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Without stroke, select the move tool, hold Ctrl, select the background. Align, then click the selection tool, right click, use elliptical marquee tool. Then hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Then move anywhere and crop, press Ctrl I. Okay, now see this cutout shapes. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Change the color, increase the size, press Ctrl T, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster is here, press Ctrl T, increase the size. Okay.